Welcome to another episode of Plant Mom Diary. So welcome back. So this is the progress that we've made so far, and in my opinion looking good. So we're going to add this shredded newspaper, which is considered brown material. Then we have some zucchini scraps because I made some zoodles. So I got some scraps from that. And then we also have here, let's see, some leftover pineapple and cabbage that my boo gave me. So I'm going to add that into the compost. And then I have these dead flowers that I brought home from work. We had a beautiful bouquet and it's actually dying. So I brought those home. And I'm going to add these dead flowers to my compost as well. So I'm just showing you just the different variety of materials that I will be using to make my compost. So we're going to go ahead and put everything in and tumble it. So this is how beautiful and nasty it looks for now. This go around I am going to add some blood meal because I didn't do that at the beginning. And this is just to help heat up the temperature inside of the compost so we can get it to break down. Now that I have my blood meal in here, I'm going to pour my water over it and just kind of saturate my compost that I have in here so far. And then this is what everything looks like once I tumbled it and mixed everything up. It looks very beautiful. So I'm excited to see how long it takes for us to actually get the compost that we need for our summer flowers. So here's some new things that I added after the fact that I didn't record, but I wanted you to see. They say that molded things are great because they've already started the process of breaking down. So don't be afraid to add those kitchen scraps, okay? Stay tuned and I'll see you next time.